At the H Plus Hotel in Salzburg, Austria. We just got an Aussteigen, exit the hotel. We got a technical problem. We're on the Platz right near the train station, and there's a fire at the hotel on the third floor, and people just wouldn't even come out. I grabbed their passports, we ran. That's a fire. I don't think it's a major fire, but it's still a fire. And the fire sprinklers did not go off like they should have. They should have gone off. See, I grabbed our passports and our credit cards, and of course I grabbed the GoPro. Live on Facebook. Live on Facebook, guys.
The third floor has smoke in there.
Yeah.
See it? Where's the smoke? When we came down the stairwell, the third floor was smoking the stairwell.
I can smell it.
I see. It's probably a fire.
Yeah. The sprinklers should have gone off. The sprinklers didn't go off at the H Plus Hotel in here, and get out. We got to get out. Let them. It's a fire. Live on Facebook, guys. It's a fire. Speak English?
Let's get Dutch.
Dutch. I used to do RC fire. I used to do fire.
Is it English?
In America.
America?
Fire. So that's I know fire. The sprinklers didn't come, you know, the water sprinklers didn't come on. There's fire. It's not working.
You're in Canada, you're in America.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you here?
No, I am from Spain.
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 Oh, okay.
Yeah, from Spain. Spain.
Espanol.
Español.
Sorry? Speak English?
Yes, a little.
That's fire. We come down. What?
I think it's somewhere in the...
Third floor. We could smell.
Yeah, I don't know.
Going back in.
Are they going back in?
Now I think I come back here.
Oh. I used to be the, arson secretary, arson in America.
Ah,
And my deceased husband was a fireman for years. So their sprinklers should have came off.
yeah.
They're in trouble. Okay, let's see here.
My first good night, I was going to get some sleep.
I don't even know if I ran. I don't even know if I ran for the hotel. I don't even know if I got the card out of the thing. Do you get it? Good, because I didn't get it. But I got GoPro. You got your wallet. Anything else not in there? You know what? To be honest. More important than anything. I was sitting there. I just turned on. No. No. They're not going in. What bothers you more than anything is the fact that those sprinklers did not go off.
Now, the problem is you got a lot of foreigners here and they don't mind directions.
And they were standing in the hall.